Terry, congratulations. I don't really know where to start, so sum that game up from your point of view.
We're delighted, aren't we? You come away, it's another 3 points. So we're absolutely delighted in there. We've hauled ourselves right back in with a chance now. It's only 3 points. I don't want to be boring or anything, but it's a local derby, and after Saturday's derby game, where we thought we didn't deserve to lose, maybe it should have been a draw. To come away then to another local rivals to get your 3 points away from home, and the fans were outstanding, so absolutely delighted.
What were you most pleased about tonight's performance?
How we reacted to they took on board at half time, because at the first half we thought we started okay, but then just dropped so deep. Blythe played some good football. They played like a little box, matched us up sort of thing, and they were getting on top because we got too deep, and we had to get in at half time. Obviously before that, Matty's goal, absolutely what a goal. I was right behind it. A great strike from Matty to come back to his old club and get a goal like that. So we're delighted with that goal as well, obviously. But then going in, we just needed to get in to get sorted out, and then a little bit of tweaking here and there, mainly on keeping the football better. And I think you see in that second half, we really then showed what a good football team we are with the ball. And by keeping the ball loads, you restrict the opposition to less chances. So I think the lads really took on board the little bits of 1 or 2 tweaks we asked them to do. So delighted in that. And then towards the end, the biggest pleasing thing, which we've been doing a lot over the last 5 and 6 games, how well we've defended the box. When obviously teams are going to put you under pressure, we've had to defend corners, etc. And then they get one. But yeah, I just thought the lads stayed calm. And it was a great all-round, again, performance. And like I said again, delighted for the fans to go away happy tonight after Saturday.
You mentioned the goals there. That first goal from Matty Cornish, as you said, that was an absolute screamer, wasn't it? Did you know that was in as soon as he hit it?
Yeah, I did actually, because I was right in line with it. So as soon as it left his foot, I just thought this is in the top corner. And what a great, absolutely fantastic finish by the lad. He's been great. He's been a breath of fresh air since he's come in. Attitude, as everybody says, he runs, but he's actually a very, very good footballer.
And Cam Salkeld now is top scorer. That's his 6th of the season. Took his goal very well, but how big a part did Callum Griffiths have in that one by being committed in the tackle for the ball to come through to him?
Yeah, obviously Griff got in, had to win his 1v1 duel, and he did. He showed great determination, and Cam's been brilliant, hasn't he? Let's be honest, he's scored again, but then what he done for the team when we put him up there without the ball again, fans might not have, I don't know if anyone else seen it, but there was work ethic without the ball to drop in onto the deep player. He ran his socks off, so absolutely delighted for him, because he's had to wait a little bit. He's been in and out, but since he's come back in the team, he's done absolutely fantastic.
Matty Young in goal, couple of world-class saves there, the one in the first half over the bar. How pleased with you with his performance, and how much do you think he's taken out of playing senior football for Darlington?
Well, he's absolutely loving it, number one. We've just been speaking to Sunderland's head coach there. We're absolutely delighted, as you can see. So it's a win-win, isn't it? We're helping his development. He's been absolutely outstanding since he come in. No one would think, if you said he's a 17-year-old, how he's played the game. So absolutely delighted. Some of the saves he's made, great. It's a win-win. Sunderland are happy. We've been happy. He got the break because unfortunately Tommy got an injury. But even Tommy, I've got to say, Tommy's been brilliant around him, really supporting the lad as well. So I've got a big thanks to Tommy on that, showing what a real good team player he is, to support him as well. But he's been great for us as well.
I was on commentary up in the back of the main stand there. I could hardly hear myself for half of the game for our travelling fans tonight. How were you surprised by how many of them came out and how loud they were this evening?
I'll never be surprised. From the day one when I came at Kings Lynn, we had out well over 100. I thought, wow, well over 100 to go to Kings Lynn. So yeah, fantastic support. I've got to say the noise from start to finish was great, and it's brilliant for them. It's nothing better than getting a win, like anybody would say that. But for your fans, you need the fans. We needed the backing, and I've said it in every interview ever since Steve and myself have come in. They've been brilliant. We still want them to continue that. There's still going to be some ups and downs, and they're going to be a big part. We really need them to be really backing the lads, absolutely loving the support they're giving them. So big thanks from Steve and myself and all the players to the fans, and I hope you've enjoyed tonight.
And final question, obviously it's been Saturday, Tuesday for ages. How will you work with the players would you bring them in on Thursday, or what's the plan to keep them fresh when they've had so many games before a big game again on Saturday?
Yeah, we're definitely training. We've had a couple of Thursdays off because we thought we needed that, but we've now got a few back that we think needs a bit of work. So the lads will come, and there'll not be a lot of work for the lads that have played the 90s. We'll do a little bit of my video stuff on Peterborough. It'll just be a light session, a real recovery for them. But there's a group of lads that we've got to keep looking after, keep them up to speed, ready, because they're all going to be needed.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Terry. Fantastic performance. Well done.